Microsoft's new AI, MAI, will replace OpenAI soon? In the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence, one name has been at the forefront of innovation: OpenAI. But now, Microsoft, the tech titan behind Windows, Office, and Azure, has quietly unveiled a new initiative that could reshape the future of AI technology. This initiative is called MAI, Microsoft Artificial Intelligence. The question now arises, is MAI poised to surpass OpenAI or even replace it entirely? The rise of Microsoft and OpenAI. A historical context: Microsoft's relationship with OpenAI began in 2019, when the tech giant made a monumental $1 billion investment in the then relatively unknown company. At the time, OpenAI was focused on developing artificial general intelligence, AGI, an AI system that could perform any intellectual task a human being could do. For Microsoft, this investment was an opportunity to gain a foothold in the emerging AI space, especially given the growing demand for AI-driven products and services. The partnership between Microsoft and OpenAI flourished over the years. OpenAI's models, such as GPT-3 and GPT-4, were integrated into Microsoft products, from Office 365 to Azure Cloud Services. The collaboration seemed to be a win-win. Microsoft gained access to cutting-edge AI technology, while OpenAI received the support and infrastructure needed to scale its models. However, despite the outward success of their partnership, the relationship between the two companies was not without friction. While OpenAI remained an independent entity, there were occasional clashes between Microsoft and OpenAI over issues of control, policy, and monetization. These tensions came to a head in late 2023, when Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, was temporarily ousted by the company's board. This internal conflict sparked widespread speculation and concern about the future of OpenAI, and perhaps more importantly, Microsoft's role in shaping its trajectory. In the wake of the Altman saga, it became clear that Microsoft needed to rethink its strategy. While its partnership with OpenAI had been fruitful, the events of 2023 underscored the vulnerabilities of relying too heavily on an external partner for AI technology. It was at this moment that the groundwork for MAI was laid in Microsoft's move to develop its own AI models, fully controlled by the company itself, free from the complexities of managing an external partnership. What is MAI? Microsoft's answer to OpenAI MAI, short for Microsoft Artificial Intelligence, is not just another AI model. It is an ambitious ecosystem of models, tools, and APIs designed to rival and in some cases outscale OpenAI's offerings. MAI is built on Microsoft's own infrastructure, leveraging the power of its Azure Cloud Services and vast data repositories across products like Office 365 and Teams. Internally, MAI is known by its codename Argus, reflecting its wide-ranging potential. Some insiders have even referred to it as GPT 5.5, suggesting that it is a major step up from OpenAI's GPT-4. MAI is not just an incremental improvement over existing AI models. It represents a comprehensive next-generation AI system, designed to meet the needs of both businesses and consumers at scale. One of the key advantages of MAI is its speed and security. Built from the ground up to leverage Microsoft's cloud infrastructure, MAI is optimized for low-latency, real-time processing. It also places a strong emphasis on enterprise-grade data privacy, ensuring that sensitive business information is handled with the highest levels of security. What sets MAI apart from OpenAI's models is its modular approach. Unlike GPT-4, which is primarily a language model, MAI is designed to handle a variety of tasks simultaneously. From natural language processing, NLP, to image generation, voice synthesis, and video analysis, MAI is a multimodal platform capable of handling complex tasks with ease. Whether you're drafting an email, generating a report, or analyzing data from an IoT device, MAI is built to support a wide range of applications. Microsoft's vision: total AI integration across the ecosystem. MAI is not just a product. It is the backbone of Microsoft's vision for the future. Microsoft plans to integrate MAI deeply into its existing product suite, embedding AI into every aspect of its software, from Office to Teams, from Excel to Visual Studio. The aim is not simply to add a chatbot here or a virtual assistant there. MAI is designed to be fully integrated into the Microsoft ecosystem, transforming how people interact with technology on a daily basis. For example, imagine using Word and having MAI help you brainstorm ideas, summarize key points, and even generate content based on the context of your document. In Excel, MI could predict trends and offer data-driven insights, making it easier for users to analyze vast amounts of data. In Outlook, MAI could automatically draft responses to emails in your voice, saving valuable time and enhancing productivity. Unlike OpenAI's model, which often requires separate subscriptions or APIs for businesses and developers, MAI will be seamlessly integrated into Microsoft's suite of services. For enterprise users, this means that they will not need to purchase additional licenses or manage third-party integrations. MAI will be included in the subscriptions that businesses already pay for, making it a more accessible and scalable solution. The true power of MAI lies in its ability to integrate into every layer of the Microsoft stack. By embedding AI into products like Power BI, SharePoint, and Teams, Microsoft aims to create a fully connected, AI-powered ecosystem that enhances collaboration, decision-making, and efficiency across the board. OpenAI's uncertain future, while Microsoft's move to develop MAI is a clear indication of its ambition to dominate the AI space. The implications for OpenAI are far-reaching. OpenAI has built its reputation on developing groundbreaking AI models, with GPT-3 and GPT-4 being some of the most widely used and recognized in the world. However, much of OpenAI's success has been tied to Microsoft's cloud infrastructure. OpenAI's models rely heavily on Azure for both training and deployment, and the two companies have worked closely together to bring AI-driven products to market. The launch of MEA marks a potential shift in this relationship. As Microsoft becomes increasingly self-reliant with its own AI models, the question arises, will Microsoft continue to rely on OpenAI for future innovations, or will it begin to phase out its partnership entirely? The rumors that began circulating in 2025 suggested that Microsoft might be replacing OpenAI's models with its own AI-powered services in certain products. This move could have significant consequences for OpenAI, which may struggle to compete without Microsoft's infrastructure and distribution capabilities. Furthermore, Microsoft's increasing control over the AI landscape could lead to greater consolidation in the industry. As MAI becomes a more integral part of Microsoft's offerings, OpenAI's position as the leader in AI could be challenged, especially if Microsoft's in-house models prove to be more reliable, secure, and customizable for enterprise use. How MAI works. A deep dive into the technology. At the core of MAI is a next-generation AI architecture known as the Orion Stack. The Orion Stack combines cutting-edge transformer models with symbolic reasoning and edge AI capabilities, allowing MAI to process complex tasks with unprecedented speed and accuracy. The battle for the future of AI. As Microsoft's MAI continues to evolve, it is clear that the future of AI will no longer be shaped by a single company. The competition between Microsoft, OpenAI, and other industry leaders is intensifying, and the stakes couldn't be higher. AI represents Microsoft's answer to OpenAI's dominance in the AI space, and it could very well change the way we interact with technology for years to come. While the full impact of MAI remains to be seen, one thing is certain: the future of AI is shifting. Microsoft's decision to develop its own AI models is a bold move that signals a new era in the AI arms race. Whether MAI will eventually surpass OpenAI or replace it entirely is still uncertain, but it's clear that MAI is Microsoft's answer to the growing demand for powerful, scalable, and secure AI solutions. The competition is on, and the future of AI has never been more exciting.